So let's go ahead and create an AWS account. And the first thing you have to do is to specify a root user email address, which is your main email address, and that will be used to log in to your Amazon account. On top of it, you can specify a name for your account. For example, Stefan Demo V3. After verifying your account, you have to set a root user password and confirm this root user password. If you lose your root password, you can recover it thanks to your email, but it is better for you not to forget about your email address and your root user password. Next, you specify that this is a personal account and you enter your details for this account. Next, you have to enter credit card details and you will get an authorization of $1 onto this credit card. So this is not a charge, it's a pending transaction and it's just an authorization that will be canceled. And as long as you remain within the free tier, you will not be charged. But if you go over the free tier, then you will be charged. And I will show you, of course, how to monitor for these things. But if you follow this course, you should remain within the free tier limits. After that step, you must confirm your identity by providing a phone number and then receiving either an SMS or a voice call to confirm that phone number. Then you must choose a support plan and we'll use the basic support free for this course because that's all we need. Then you complete the sign up and congratulations, you are signed up for AWS. It will take a few minutes to activate your account and you will receive an email when this is complete. In the meantime, you can click on go to the AWS Management Console. You must enter your root user email address and your password, and then you are logged in into the AWS console. Congratulations, let's get started with this course.